most traditional Brazilian chicken recipes, well, at least in the central southern half of the country. The galinhada is a typical Mixed dish made with rice, chicken, and vegetables. Galinha means chicken in Portuguese.
These are the ingredients we need to make Galinhada Mineira. What do we start with, Gideon?
Chicken, lime juice, salt, black pepper, garlic, olive oil, onion, tomato paste, cumin, whatever it says,
Yep.
turmeric, chicken stock, white rice,
While this recipe is one version of Galinhada Mineira, there are lots of different versions depending on what state in Brazil a family might be from and what vegetables they have on hand. It's a staple dish, but you can make a lot of different varieties. Gideon's doing step 1, which is creating the chicken marinade. This has our chicken thighs with lime juice, salt, pepper, and garlic. And they're gonna marinate, which means soak and rest for 30 minutes. Go ahead and mix them up. Now we're turning our chicken thighs that have been browning for about 2 minutes. We need them to brown 2 minutes on each side. We're on our last part. Gideon's stirring in the corn and peas with our rice and chicken. It's almost done. This is our final product. It's ready to serve. What are your thoughts?
That maybe it'll be good. I think it'll be good. And also, I hope it's good, I guess.
How does it smell?
Like good corn.
Like good corn. All right, well, we're going to taste test it. This is, what is it called?
Let me look. Wait.
Galinhada Mineira.
Galinhada Mineira?
Scores, Eden?
9 out of 10.
Ooh.
That's pretty good. Yeah, I'm really good.
10 out of 10.
I think so.
No,
You
no,
did a
no.
great job.
Wait, no. 9.
Okay. I think we have a winner.
Ya no estás más a mi lado, corazón, solo tengo soledad.